Hello, sisters. Welcome to another exciting learning series with House of Mulaken. Today, we will learn how to choose the right sewing needle for your domestic sewing machine. Whether you're using a modern electric tabletop machine like the Butterfly JH5832A or a classic blackhead household sewing machine, the right needle can make all the difference. For domestic sewing machines, the ideal needle type is the HA×1. Now, the needle size you choose depends on the fabric you're working with. For lightweight fabrics such as cotton or silk, size 14 is perfect. For medium width fabrics such as denim or your laces, size 16 is your go-to. And for heavyweight fabrics or stretchy fabrics, size 18 is ideal. The last tip. Remember, changing your needle frequently is key to maintaining a great sewing experience because a fresh needle ensures smooth stitching and helps to prevent damage to your fabric and to your machine. To have a beautiful sewing experience. Bye for now.